Who is it?
I made an appointment with you yesterday on the telephone.
And you are?
My name's Andrew.
Why are you nervous? Never mind. What's the problem you want to discuss?
Well.
Please hurry up. I have a game to get back to. A fucking shotgun just killed me.
Shotguns?
What did you say? Never mind that. So why are you here?
I'm a shotgun addict.
Motherfucker. How long have you been using shotguns?
Ever since Call of Duty 4.
Fucking shotgunner, come my fucking office, you piece of shit!
What?
You know what? Let's try out a little drill. Head over the shotgun, very slowly.
I'm sure, I guess. I mean,
Oh shit! Put it on the shotgun! Put it the fuck down!
If love's a fight, then I shall die. With my heart on a trip.